So previously we talked about lots of premium VPNs, Express, NordVPN, and all of those VPN which are premium, and we talked a lot of this. So let's now talk about a free VPN that we can use, which is, I think, in my opinion, is usable but not the best. But if you are free to pay, or if you are just a free user that you want to use a VPN for free, then you can use this. So let's go and check that out. So you can use a free VPN both on Windows, Mac, and also on Android phone. Lots of free VPNs are free, but not a lot of them are good. So let's try one of them which I think is good as a free unit. So let's search for Firefox extension because we will using a VPN on our Mozilla. So Firefox extension, let's search for VPN. As you can see, there are lots of free VPNs are in here, like free VPN proxy. We'll talk about this later because we will be testing this out. And then Rush VPN, as you can see, lots of users are in here. And also the ratings, as you can see, most of them are low rating. Hotspot for VPN proxy. So as you can see, a lot of them are not that good, but as you can see, lots of users are using Touch VPN because I think this is the best free VPN that you can use right now. I don't think there is a better free VPN than Touch VPN is available in market right now. So just simply go to and click the Touch VPN, then just simply add this to Firefox. You can also rate this by clicking here. So let's just click and add this to Firefox as an add-on, and as you can see, it's done. It's very little, like 1 or 2 MB, and it's very simple to use. It's just one click to all, I think. So let's set up our free VPN. So once you are done with add-on to your Firefox, this will show up in here, or you can just go in here, more tools, where is extension. So these are the extension that you are in here. So but in shortcut you will have add-on in here. So just click in here. As you can see, they will ask you to read all of this, so make sure you read this if you have any concern. So I'm just gonna click got it. So very simple user interface. You can choose your choice. So these are all the choice that are for free, like you can use US, Canada, Russia, Germany, Netherlands. So let's try Netherlands. So in here, this is the bar menu, so you can sign in. So what is this feature? So when you sign in, every time you install this in your defined machine, it will automatically switch location, and it will automatically set all of those that you set previously, and it will automatically set all of those in your all other devices. And then auto protect website, you can protect website using in here. So as you can see, as soon as you open this website, secure connection will be automatically enabled. Then you can exclude website that you don't want to VPN to work, like many Facebook and other websites that many Facebook I think face some problem when using VPN on Facebook. Sometimes they ask you to verify you whether you are a real person or not. So that's why sometimes it's better to exclude Facebook. Then you can rate privacy, and here also you can try that in for phone. So it's, as you can see, it's available on lots of devices: Mac, App Store, Microsoft, Google Play, my Windows, Firefox, Chrome. So all of those platforms are available to use on Touch VPN. So let's use. So simply, or also another thing you can just share in here. So simply choose a location like Germany, just simply press connect, and it will connect your VPN. As you can see, you are now browsing from VPN. And as you can see, it's very slow because it's free. That's why it's slow. Every free VPN that you will test is very slow. That's why I always recommend you to use like ExpressVPN or NordVPN. Okay, this is taking so much time. As you can see, 5 Mbps speed, and all the bandwidth that you use will be in here. So ad blocker, you can use ad block, you can enable tracker, you can enable cookies that will be blocked, and you can malware block, you can all of those block using this here, and also you can exclude. I think my internet has some problems, so let's just stop. As you can see, this free VPN also has some problem. Okay, let's try again with different location like United States. So let's try if it loads or not. As you can see, it loaded on using what is my IP address. So let's try our IP address. As you can see, this is my IP address currently right now. So if we change our location to Canada, so let's see what this does. As you can see, my IP address instantly changed. So we are from Europe. As you can see, service is network sharing service, which is our VPN service, which is city and region France, country France. So that's how you simply use a VPN, free VPN. So let's try another one to see how another free VPN service works. So let's try a high user. So let's use this one. Simply just add to Firefox. It's downloading, but it's taking some time. So I think there is some problem with this. This add-on is not actively monitored, so it's better not to install this. Let's try another one. I think my internet has some problem. So let's disconnect and connect again. So as you can see, other my VPN service has some problem, that's why I cannot install. As you can see, simply just on click and installed. So that's how basically you use VPN. The process of touch VPN is identical to all of the devices that you will use, like Android, Mac, or other operating system. It's pretty much the same process. This is the pretty much the same user interface that you will be seen in other operating system. So that's how you use a free VPN service.